How to turn off satellite on iPhone 14. If you see satellite features on your iPhone 14 and want to turn them off, here's what you need to know. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Emergency SOS. Here, you'll see the available emergency and satellite-related options supported on your iPhone. Keep in mind that there is no regular switch to completely turn off satellite connectivity on iPhone 14. Satellite features such as Emergency SOS via satellite are designed to help you contact emergency services when cellular and Wi-Fi aren't available. They don't work like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so you don't need to keep satellite connectivity turned on manually. If you see a satellite connection option while you're outside cellular or Wi-Fi coverage, simply don't start the satellite connection unless you need it. When your normal cellular or Wi-Fi connection becomes available again, your iPhone will use those connections instead. So there's no need to worry about satellite constantly running in the background or draining your battery like a normal wireless connection. And that's it. On iPhone 14, there isn't a separate setting switch to completely disable satellite features because they're designed to activate only when a supported feature requires them. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.